Welcome back, fellow web creators and entrepreneurs. In this tutorial, I'm going to cover how to change the color of text in Adobe Premiere. To kick things off, let's add some text to our video by selecting the text tool and clicking anywhere on your video preview panel. Type in your text and then press Ctrl-A on Windows, Command-A on Mac to select all of your text. Now head over to the Effect Controls panel, and under where it says Text, click the little arrow to reveal its contents. Click the colored box next to the Fill option. Select your desired color and hit OK. Now you've changed the color of your text. Alternatively, hover over your text and click and drag over the text you wish to change. You can also make additional modifications to your text, such as adding a stroke, a background, or a shadow. For more detail on these features, check out these videos right here. If you deselected your text, using the Select tool, you can double-click anywhere on your text to highlight everything again. And that's it for this tutorial. I hope you learned something new. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you again soon.